招牌都被吹到东倒西歪。路边淹水加上风雨，让经过民众即便穿着雨衣也难以通行。沿海地区雨势更强劲，挡都挡不住。猛烈风雨强势来袭，号称今年地表最强风暴梅丽莎飓风已经登陆加勒比海国家牙买加，民众提心吊胆。
They told everyone to pack in an emergency bag so that we will have that in all our important documents.
It's really overwhelming. We've never been through anything like this, and hearing the more and more updates and more reports and how it's getting stronger and stronger.
这是牙买加自1851年有记录以来遇到的最强风暴，现在已经有超过54万户无电可用，占总电数的77%，也有1.5万人已经被撤离，800多座避难所严阵以待。
There will be catastrophic damage. There is no infrastructure in this region, or maybe anywhere in the world, that could withstand a Category 5 hurricane without some level of damage.
根据气象预报，加勒比海温暖海水助长风暴不断增强。当地时间周二早上，风速保持在每小时298公里，逼近高铁的最高速度。
Are the slow speed, and I think that's what's making it so devastating, or creating the greatest worry.
梅丽莎预计也会登陆古巴，当地开始刮起风雨，当局全力戒备，已经宣布撤离超过70万人。TVBS 新闻综合报道。
锁定政治1.0，内幕全透明。现在订阅 TVBS 选新闻 YouTube 频道，不只是看新闻，更卡是爱选新闻。